Today we're having a look at how we ship a seat out of Weber Brothers Auto. So our first step, of course, is to pull it out of the car, pull it out of the warehouse. Next, we'll bring it into the shipping department where everybody takes a good look at it. We're looking for punctures, cigarette burns, smells, speaking of cigarette burns, any sort of wear on the bolsters, any sort of cuts, or any imperfections we can find at all on a seat. If we find it, we're going to tell you. Last thing I want to do, especially if we're shipping it to you, is ship you a disappointment that we're going to get in an argument about. So again, we'll go over all options. We look at the front, we look at the back, we look at the side. It does include the seat belt. The female side of things, as long as it bolts to the seat, it stays with it. We'll be checking our switches again. Give them a thorough cleaning and a thorough look over. Flip it upside down for you here. It's usually case by case, but generally we leave the modules. We always leave the fans, the heating elements. We don't take anything like that out. Tracks are always in place. We unbolt. We do not cut anything other than the far side of the harness, so you should be able to plug right back in just the way you started. Next up comes the shipping phase. Once it's boxed up, I'll show you exactly how it looks when we ship it out of here. And this is a finished product. So it is now on a skid. There's protection inside, both top, bottom, and sides. Banded down. Got a cone on top, make sure they don't set anything on top of it. If it arrives and it doesn't look exactly like this, you've got to declare it with the driver immediately. Tell them you think it's damaged. They have to sign off on their documentation, their bill of lading that shows it was damaged. It should arrive exactly like this. If you have any questions or you're looking for a seat for a particular car, you can reach me at 800-222-2528. My extension is 112. Thanks for watching.